And today we are learning about for loops, but this is another way, or like not another way. It's like another variety. So I already taught how to do for loops in the previous videos. So here's another way. So I'm just gonna make a list from last video, because I remember last video I made a list. Now we just need to print it, and also you can check it out whenever you'd like. So let's print it. Wait for it to load. Okay, so it gave us the list. Now let's add the for I in nums print, and this is just gonna make like a row, or this is just gonna make a line of numbers. It's loading, and there we go. We got the numbers right here. And so now, let's say you only wanted the index, and I'll tell you what the index is once I get this ready. Loading. Okay, so the index is basically this. So 8 is the index of 0, 4 is the index of 1, 6 is the index of 2, and 4 is the index of 3, and 6 is the index of 4. So let me tell you something. In every list you see, the first number here will always be an index of 0. So now let me explain what the range is. So it's like a range from 0 to 4. That's like an example. And length is how long it is. And the nums is the list itself. And now what if you also wanted the variables here and the values? Well, let me show you how to do that. Just put nums here, a little square bracket, and I think I. Run it. Why is it taking so long? Okay, there we go. Now that it printed, let's go down here. And here's the other way to do the same thing. This is just another way. So then you wanted enumerate nums. And make sure you have the colon, because this is a function that was already created. And also I forgot about something. Or not nums, I meant value. Then comma value. Let's run it. And why is it? Okay, there we go. Now it printed 2 times. And that's how you can do for loops in another variety. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want more content like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!